Hey, it's John at the Mythical Garden. Today we're doing a spiritual foundation Ancestors edition. What we're going to do is teach you how to build your spiritual foundation. Why we need spiritual foundation? It's your backbone of your spirituality. It's the foundation that keeps you grounded and steady within your spiritual journey. So why your ancestors? One, your ancestors walk with you every day, right? They're the ones who came before you and have a lot of wisdom. They could teach you everything that they know, right? And just growing them, this growing your connection with them, they open up so many doors. They're your like spiritual gatekeepers, right? So they can open doors, close doors, remove blocks, open blocks, and they're also your first and last line of defense when it comes to like people doing spiritual um, warfare at you or just protect you in general, right? So having them as your spiritual foundation, they will pretty much help you out in every single way possible. Ancestor veneration is so important, right? Because they're still here. They're not dead. They're not gone. They're walk with you every day. They let you know when things are not right and stuff like that. So why not like honor them and venerate them and show them love and appreciation? And the best way to do that is have them as your spiritual foundation. So how do we build a spiritual foundation? One, you start with an ancestor altar or boveda. Boveda. Sorry, I said it wrong. But you start with pictures of your deceased ancestors. Only deceased, not living relatives. Um, whether only blood related unless you're adopted, but those are the only ones that go on your ancestor altar, right? So now we have what goes on it. So now we have water and coffee. Make sure the water is ice cold, fresh, and you could use tap, but filtered works like better for me in my opinion. Uh, have coffee. Give them coffee all the time, along with the water too. And sometimes, if you want, if you're feeling a little frisky, give them liquor. Give them rum or your favorite liquor and stuff like that. And also have a plate on your altar as well. And the plate is to give them food, whether it's the first bite of your meal or you want to make a whole meal for them for the day. So that's how you build your ancestor altar. Also, you can put things on there that you know you like crystals, um, rice money bowls, coins, whatever their guide you to put on there, you put on there with them for them. So now that we have the basis of what you put on your ancestor altar, you give them fresh water and coffee and food. Well, fresh water and coffee every day or every other day, but fresh food every day, right? Because you're feeding your ancestors. Why not? Why wouldn't you want to feed them, right? And it will help them. How can I put it? It will help them along in your journey. Like they will move obstacles. Like you show. This is how you care for them as well. So you doing that shows them that you care for them, you love them, and stuff like that. And have conversations with them. Like sit down, have a talk, let them know what's going on with you, let them know that you appreciate them, let them know that you love them, let them know that you are grateful for the things that they have done, will do, are doing, past, present, and future. Let them know that how important they are to you, how much you love them and care for them. Yes, I know we have some ancestors that are, I would say, wouldn't like they don't fuck with us. I'm gonna be honest. You have some ancestors that won't fuck with you, but at the end of the day, they say your ancestors. You still gotta honor them. Just don't ask them to do work for you because they probably will make it worse. But just talk to them, honor them every day, and you start seeing your life shift. You start seeing things, you know, be better for you. You start seeing people fall off. income increase. You start seeing a whole bunch of doors and opportunities open for you once you start doing this for them. And honestly, uh, how can I put it? And honestly, it's great to talk to them and have them as, your spiritual companions when on your spiritual journey, because they will make sure that you're on your path. I'm gonna let you know that for sure. They will make sure that you're on your path, on your straight and narrow, and they will love you so much more than you ever think, right? They will take you out the trenches, right? And you'll start noticing how your dreams are shifting. You'll probably get more downloads, more insight in dreams. Your intuition will start improving. Your faith and your like your foundation will start improving and everything, right? And um, your ancestors are very wise. They have centuries of wisdom that they were passing down to you. So again, why not honor them? Why not let them know that, yeah, I want to keep remembering you guys so that you guys don't feel forgotten or lost. So you're probably asking, Gianna, how does this help you um grow? How does it bring opportunities? For one, uh, I've been honoring my ancestors for a very long time, but recently I've been doing it like clockwork, and I've noticed a lot of things changing, especially when it comes to my YouTube, how things have been growing. And it's sometimes I get shocked because I don't expect it like that, because I'm not the one type of person to have expectations. But my dreams have been improving. They have been more chatty catties, you know. I just show like how much I love them, and they just show the appreciation back, because again, they do a lot for us. And a lot of people think that they're gone or whatever, and this video is my dedication to them. It's to show others that, your ancestors are here. The ancestors are your A1 day ones. They will do everything for you. They are ride or die. So yes, I have my orishas and I love them as well. But if I didn't have my orishas, my ancestors will be my number one, and two and three and four and five, right? They're my first line of defense. They make sure I'm good. They're my last line of defense to make sure I'm good. And they don't play about you. So if somebody tries to come for you, they will come for them right back. And a lot of people don't understand, your ancestors in the spirit world are petty. I mean, they are petty, so they will ride for you. They're riding at dawn. They're your biggest supporters, your cheaters. And if you ignore them, or if you, I wouldn't necessarily say abandon them, but if you just don't give them the recognition or the love or the gratitude, and feed them, make sure they're full. Because if you eat every day, they have to eat every day too. Because they are spiritual beings. It's just, they don't have a meat suit. And this keeps them alive spiritually and gives them the energy and, you know, to do what needs to be done to keep your path clear and keep you aligned and, you know, honestly protect you. Because, like I said, your ancestors are petty. Sometimes they will give you lessons to smack you around a little bit, but it ultimately is for your growth. So, um, they're just your spiritual foundations. They are your deepest connection to spirituality, to the spiritual world. And again, they will open doors for you, clear blocks, remove your enemies, protect you from your enemies. They will honor you as much as you honor them. They will love you as much as you love them. They're not, again, like, yes, they are in the spirit world. Yes, they are deceased. Yes, they aren't here physically, but spiritually, they're always around you. They walk with you. They watch you sleep. They go with you to work. They ride in cars with you. They talk to you every day. That little nudge or gut feeling, that's them speaking to you. The little whispers in your back of your head, that's you. That's them speaking to you. So they're always around, regardless. Always around. And again, so honor them. Let them know you love them. Talk to them. Have a conversation with them. And just show like gratitude. Show honor. Keep them happy. Because if they're happy, you're happy. It's kind of simple like the happy wife, happy life. Happy ancestors, happy descendants, right? But that's what I have to say about, building a spiritual foundation when it comes to your ancestors. Because again, they are your backbone. They are your elders in spirit form. They are the ones that, you know, walk with you day and night. They're the ones that put in the work in the spirit world for you. So why not appreciate them? Why not honor them? Why not gift them with your love and care, and let them know that you're happy that they chose you to either break generational curses, help people, help yourselves, help your family, you know, bring love and respect to your bloodline, like stuff like that. So honoring your ancestors is a really big thing, and do not listen to these people that say your ancestors are demonic. That is the colonizer's thought process, and ideology, and we don't subscribe to that at all, because your ancestors, yes, a lot of them may be petty, a lot of them are maybe mean, and that's because we do have elevated ancestors and those who aren't elevated, but they still have to learn. And at the end of the day, you still have to honor them because they are your bloodline. They are the ones that love you and cherish you and, will protect you. So, this is the ancestors video. If you have any questions or want to know more about your ancestors and how to honor them, just leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will make more spiritual foundation videos. If you have any topics we want to talk about, we could do that. And this is like one of many in the series.